Yeah, so my country people, I throw away salute. Crystal Palace 0 and Arsenal 1. To me, this one will be one of Arsenal's best performance. But at the end of the day, Arsenal escaped with 3 points, and that's why I say them because I've been predicting Arsenal go win the game. But my boys deliver 3 points. But in terms of the performance, they no deliver very ogbonge performance and I escape. We escape for today's game. And make I talk about Eddie Nketiah. Eddie Nketiah, yes, you do well, you try. You get into those dangerous positions when football fans go want to make their striker enter. But you know, say normally you they talk say make they put score normally without your celebration. Say anytime when they need go, make they put score. They put score today, but be like say the network they busy or something because you know take those two ogbonge chances where you get. I beg for the next game. Eddie Nketiah, I beg try to put the ball for the back of the net. But when we talk about the officiating for this match, it gets some big incident to me where I think say change the dimension where this match they go. That ball when Crystal Palace get for inside 18-yard box when Declan Rice and Thomas Partey dey mark Iberishi easy. That ball na penalty or not be penalty because if you ask me, forget say I be Arsenal fan, make I first talk as football fan. That ball na clear penalty if you ask me. But you, how you see am? To you, na penalty or no be penalty? And for this game, I think say you still get some other decision where be like say the ref do am and e dey harsh. But in general, if you want rate this referee officiating for this game from 1 to 10, now how you go rate the ref officiating. But make we still talk about the Gunners. So far, they don't play 2 games. They don't get 6 points. Like Manchester City, will be like that them be the defending champion. But with what you don't see so far, you think say Arsenal go fit challenge Manchester City again? Because when they challenged last season, many people they talk say na fluke. Now only one season, now one season wonder be that they no go fit do am again this season. But what you they see, you think say the Gunners go fit challenge, and how you they see this new system when Mikel Arteta they play, and when they want come be like saying they start the game with Thomas Partey for right back, but last Thomas Partey they move enter midfield. How you they see these new changes when the man they change and the way in the put Gabriel for bench? But we see they hear some rumors about say maybe Gabriel won't go Saudi Arabia and some links with Real Madrid, but we never know how true those links there. But how you see this decision to they put Gabriel for bench? Because me personally, I get the way the thing they do me for body because to me last season now Gabriel be our best defender. Why can't they sit down bench? You know, can't they start? Talk how you see him for the comment section of this video, and don't forget to share them with your friends and family. Una bye bye.